Good morning, Engineer Eduardo, sir. As your request to show the video solution of any part of part 1 and part 2. So for now, I would select part 1 for number 6. So in which uh, the equation whose roots are the reciprocal of the roots of the equation of 2x squared minus 3x minus 5. So first we need to factor the equation. So the factor will be 2x and here x, this one positive 1, this one is negative 5. So to check for the first term, 2x times 2x is the 2x squared, and the last term negative 5 times 1, negative 5, and the middle term negative 5x, 2x times 1 is 2x, so negative 3x the middle term. So the roots are 2x minus 5 equals 0 and x plus 1 equals 0. So 2x equal to 5, x will be 5 over 2, and the other root x is equal to negative 1. So the reciprocal of this term for the first root, so 5 over 2, so the reciprocal is 1 divide 5 over 2, it will be 2 over 5, and the second root, 1 divide negative 1, still negative 1. So next, so x minus 2 over 5 multiply by x plus 1. So x times x squared plus x minus 2 over 5x minus 2 over 5. X squared plus negative 2 over 5. So we need to multiply all the term by 5 to remove the denominator. So it will be 5x squared plus 5x minus 2x minus 2. So 5x squared, 5x minus 2x, positive 3x minus 2. So this will be the equation. The next example, I choose problem number 7. So find the product and sum of the equation x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 equals 0. So to get the product and sum of the equation, we need to get all the roots. So we need to factor out this equation. So x plus 1, x squared plus 2x plus 1. So x plus 1, factor this x squared plus 2x plus 1 is x plus 1 and x plus 1. So all the roots, first root negative 1, second root negative 1, and third root is the same. So to get the sum of the roots, so negative 1 plus negative 1 plus negative 1 is negative 3. For the product, so negative 1 by negative 1 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 1. So the answer is -3 and -1. So another way to solve this problem in a faster way, so is used by a calculator technique. So select mode 5 in your calculator and select 4 for the cubic equation and input all the number, the coefficient number of the equation. So on the calculator, A, B, C, D. So you need to input all the equation 1, 3, 3, 1, and the calculator will automatically give you the root of x equal to -1. Okay, the next problem I will show is number 19. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of geometric progression 2, 4, 6, 16. So our n will be, our number of terms will be 10, and then our rational difference is first term divide second term. 4 divide 2 is 2, and first term E1 is 2. So the formula S equals A1 Rn minus 1 all over R minus 1. So this is the formula of geometric progression, sum of geometric progression. So S equals A1 is 2, R is 2, raised to n 10 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. So the summation, so the answer will be 2046. So another way to get the value in shortcut way by using calculator technique. So we only use this summation on the calculator. So the formula for this 2, 4, 6, 16, it will be 2 raised to x, and then you will set the value. X will start on 1, and for the number of terms you will put here at the top. So just input this one in the calculator and it will give automatic answer of 2046. Okay, for the next problem, I'll choose part 1, problem number 29. So for the root for this equation, so we'll just need to remove all the square root by putting squared on each equation. So square root of 1 plus x minus 1 plus x minus square root of 1 plus x, square root of 1 plus x. So squared both side, and then it will be, square root will be removed, minus square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 plus x equal to 1 plus x. So this one cancel, 1 cancel this x, so it will be, left will be square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 plus x equals 0, and then squared both side again. So 1 plus x minus square root of 1 plus x equals 0. Then next, So transpose 1 plus x equal to positive square root of 1 plus x squared again. So 1 plus x, 1 plus x, and then extract the equation. Will be x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 1 plus x. So transpose, this one will be removed. X squared plus 2x minus x equals 0. So x squared plus x equals 0. X plus 1 equals 0. So x will be x is equal to 0, and x plus 1, x will be negative 1. So the answer will be x 0 and x negative 1. Or we can use calculator technique by using ship sode to get the value of x, and we will get x is equal to 0. For the part 1 again, my second example, I choose number 31. So 3 to the 3x multiplied by 81 2x over 9 to the 4x times 27 raised to x. So we need to get the 3x times 81. 3 raised to 4 is equal to 81. So we need to extract this all over. 3 squared is 9. Multiply by 27x. So 3 cube root of 3, cube of 3 is 27. 3x. So equals 3x. Multiply the exponent, 3 8x over here, 3 8x times 3x. So 3x are the same, so this will be cancelled out, equal to 1. 8x and below 8x cancel out, so 1 divided 1 will be, answer will be 1. That's all. Thank you.